Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here. Today we're playing in a game in Unity called, oh, there it is, Carrots from Heaven. But you knew that anyway because it's in the title of this video. So it's on itch.io, like I said, in the game, Unity. I'll leave a link in the description. All it says is, you are a rabbit, one single rabbit, with the ability to cure the world of the evil miasma with your carrot's superpowered carrot power. Right. Okay. Can you defeat all the waves of angry possessed gorillas? I don't know. Okay. It looks nice. It looks really nice actually. Quite nicely put together. Low poly. I really don't mind low poly as long as it's done right. Logo is very nice. I'm just gonna get into it. Oh, here we are. Controls. So WASD, yep. Mouse, shoot, hold left mouse button. Sure. Pause, escape. Okay, so we've got. It looks like we've got a health meter there. There's our rabbit. Okay, so let's start. Ooh. Okay. Now what? Right. Okay. Do we just? I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Whoa! Ooh, bit of lag there. Oh wow, they slaughtered me. Am I doing this right? Whole left mouse button. The shoot's awful though. It's just going meh, meh, meh. Let me try again. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Get them gorillas. Summit obviously is happening. Faster attack speed. Okay, so I've got to stay in this. It looks like okay. If I don't, I start getting hurt. Okay. Okay. I think I need to run away. Run away. Done? Oof. Oh, okay, I've got to be careful where I stand because obviously it's hurting me. Okay. Max health plus 800. Okay, I'm enjoying this. I think I've got the hang of it now, so I'm enjoying it a little bit more. My health just suddenly dropped. What happened there? What the? Right. Okay, I'm not going to survive this. Okay, Okay. Well, there's got to be something I can do. What if I mean, they seem to bounce, don't they? Okay. Okay, I've got to be careful. I've really got to be careful. See that's this shooting at carrots is really slow. Really slow. But that's all right. I think I'll get used to it. So there's me faster attack speed. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's better. That's better. I've got to get off there because that's obviously hurting me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I've got it. I think I've really got the hang of it now. Oh, that's hurting me again. Knockback plus 15. Not sure what that's going to do, but okay. Bounce plus 3 times. Okay. Ah, okay. Right. So now they're going everywhere. Okay. Right. Now I'm getting it. Now I'm happy. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. I'm going to run. I'm going to have to run away. I think I've done it. Yep. Whoa. Okay, that's wave 3 of 15. Faster attack speed. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted. Knockback plus 15. Ah, okay, I see. So I can choose what I get. I'll have that one. So if I choose the faster attack speed and go from there. Right, okay. I'm not gonna survive that. I think I've got it now. Now I understand it. Now this is gonna be the one, guys. This is really good. I actually quite like this. It's really good. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. So now we have to choose wisely what we want from this dial in the middle. So faster attack speed. What's that? Bounce plus 3 times. I'm going to take that one. Or should I? No, I'm going to take faster attack. Yeah, I'm going to take faster attack. And then try it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. Got him. Okay, that's 2 of 15 done. This is really well designed. Right, so faster attack speed. Knockback plus 15. Run speed. Oh, I'm taking that. I'm taking run speed. I can run away from them a bit better then, can't I? Yes. Yes. Okay, so this is going to take a little bit of time, I think. Just got to be careful. Avoid all that. Oh, done it. Have I done it? I think I have. I do need to recover some health, though. Knockback plus 15. Right, so I'm guessing that is knocking back the gorillas. Faster attack. I'm going to go faster attack speed, I think. That's what I'm going to go with. I really need to increase my health. Run away! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, come on! I think yes. This is really good, guys. I would recommend this at this point. This is good fun. This is really good fun. Bounce plus 3 times. Pierce plus 3 times. Attack damage plus 10. I'm taking the attack damage. I'm gaining health, but I'm not 100% sure how I've gained the health. Okay, well, let's go. There's obviously got to be a really clever technique to this to get it just right. Ooh. Like you choose your power-ups wisely. I'm not sure which ones to choose. Oh no! I've got 6 health left. Oh. Faster attack speed. What else is there? Run speed 60. Not back. I'm going to go faster attack speed. Okay, I need to somehow gain health. Right, okay. Okay, I'm going to try this. I'm not sure how well this is going to go down. Oh! Oh, okay. We've opened up a new area. Oh. I didn't expect that. This is really good. Ooh. Oh. It's a boss and we've done him. Oh, yeah. That's really good. Faster attack speed. What else have we got? Bounce plus 3. Attack damage plus 10. I'm going to go attack speed. I'm going to go attack speed. That's what I'm going to go for. Oh. Okay, well, I'll leave it at that. I'm not going to bore you too much because I want you guys, if you're going to play this, and I think you should play it, just to see how much further you can get. That's really good fun. That is actually really well designed. I'm just so surprised. So yeah, guys, that was Carrots from Heaven. What a strange game. I'm not sure what happens after the 15 waves, but hey, I might go and find out now. So guys, yep, that was Carrots from Heaven. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Thank you so much for watching.